Hey guys, it's Bethany from Be Sassy Stickers. So today I'm going to be doing some memory planning from April 19th, I believe, to the 26th, is that right? Of 2021. And I found this really beautiful kit from Planner Press, their digital dash box. You can do printables, and I'm going to use this kit. It's so pretty. This is the May 2021 kit. These are the post-it notes. Gorgeous. These are the full boxes. Comes with 2 pages of those. You have these. Their bottom washi, checklist, today to do, some scripts, some flags, some more boxes, and these are the date covers that it came with. So that's the kit. Now these are the 2, sorry about that. Now these are the 2 bookmarks that I'm just going to keep because I probably won't keep them around more than a month anyway. And these are the, like, you know, fold over tabs. You can do whatever you want with. And then I got some more printables. These are from Planning Choco. I did them in silver. These are walk stickers from, what does that say? Discovery Planner Shop. I'll have to look it up if you want me to. These are from the Planner Shack. So I'm probably going to pulling these in also. They're all silver foiled. Okay, so let's pull these out of my planner and get started. So it is April 19th through the 25th. See, I was wrong. And there's a little sneak peek at the last week, and we're going to be doing this week. Okay, I still have yet to decorate this. I did also take this out of the Planner Press digital dash box too. It's really pretty. So, but I really haven't done any sort of, you know, planning in there, any sort of decorating. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you in and speed you up and play some music while I'm laying down the base, and we'll be back to the day by day. Okay, so this is in the end, I guess, what it turned out like. Please let me know if you want to know where any of the stickers came from, and I'll be happy to let you know. Just write in a comment down below, and I'll get back to you. This was last week's spread from a printable from Mr. and Mrs. Mint. It's so cute, so different, but I loved it. But here it is. I put it back in my Aura Estelle A5 wide planner, the cloud in lilac, and I love it. It's so pretty. It's become my memory planner, and it's just so, I don't know, so shiny, so pretty. But like I said, if you want to know where anything is, please comment down below, and I'll be happy to let you know. Here's a little wiggle for you. Oh, so shiny, shiny. Okay, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Everybody have a great day. Okay, bye.
Oh, and I almost forgot. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment